Today, we will be testing the end pointed SSA of Normalized price oscillator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the end pointed SSA of Normalized price oscillator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 57 different strategies, with 14 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 753 indicators, with 303 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And we've also retested in the advanced testing 11 of the winning indicators. 6 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, with the best one a 64% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the end pointed SSA of Normalized price oscillator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so the setup on this is very similar to many of the ones that we've tested here recently. They are mostly created by the same indicator creator. And this creator is pumping out a lot of indicators. On a regular basis, and so we tend to land on their indicators quite a bit as I'm scanning through looking for what indicators we haven't tested yet. And so, like most of their indicators, they have the bar coloration on, so we have a clear picture on price action where we should be going long and where we should be going short. We also have the pretty standard S tags here, so the little S with an arrow pointing down, and this one's harder to see, but there is an L here, a yellow L with an arrow pointing up, and so those also coincide with the bar coloration, and so are also showing when we should be going long and when we should be going short. And so but what we're looking for obviously is when the bars turn red, then we are going to go short. When the bars turn green, we are going to go long. That's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we get that switch in the bar coloration to the maroon red color there. We get the purple S with the arrow pointing down, and the oscillating line here also in the red maroon colored position. We get a little bit of a correction here, which pushes up and then rolls over, and price pushes down really nicely there. That does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long signal right here. So we get that bar coloration there on price action. The oscillating line is in the green position, so that obviously is lining up with everything. And we get the little yellow L here with the arrow pointing up. Everything all telling us that this is a long signal. We get, again, a little bit of a pullback here and then an immediate spike back to the upside there. And that does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short right here. Everything again lining up, the red coloration there, showing us that this is a short signal and everything else is in line. We get a really nice immediate push to the downside there. That does come down and get us to our take profit. We then pick up a long signal right there on that one there. Hasn't quite played out yet. Let's see. So it's still within our stop. Let's go ahead and play it forward a little bit here and see if we can get to our take profit. Not quite. What are we looking for? 70 pips. Not quite to the 70 pips there. Let's go ahead and play it forward a little more. And we switched to a sell signal right there on that one. And so that would stop us out there. Just about break even, about 17 pip loss there. So it wouldn't have been a full stop. Then we pick up that short right there. That one also gets us stopped out as we flip back to a long right there on that one. Let's see if this one got us to our take profit. Not quite yet, but it did right there. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I would like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server here, specifically our Patreon only channel. This is a private channel for all of our patrons to kind of hang out and take advantage of some advanced information that we are posting in here. Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader, posting pretty much daily market analysis, screenshots of charts, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, and a lot of really great information, a lot of great knowledge in these charts that Sasquatch is putting out. And not just charts, he will often answer questions and help people out, give little exercises on what's going on with the market and so on. And so, like I said, a lot of great information there. Our admin Jay is posting regular futures analysis, where he is putting up charts of the futures market and areas of support and resistance, areas of interest he might be looking to take trades on. And then other members also answering questions, posting charts, a lot of great stuff, wonderful community, a little private area for everybody to kind of hang out, like I said, and take advantage of some really great advanced information. If you're looking to take the next step in your trading journey, your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join us here. All right, so back to our indicator here. Let's get everything in focus. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. 15 trades is a decent amount of trades within the 1 year's time. Seems like recently quite a few of the indicators we've tested from this creator gets about that same amount of trades within the 1 year's time. And that is kind of a testament to the ebb and flow of how the market works. At a certain point, the market is just a rotating pattern of price action. And when we continue to see kind of the same numbers and same patterns showing up over and over and over, it is no coincidence. And that's why I say, even though we generally get a relatively low number of signals within a 1 year's time, that it's not significantly or statistically insignificant. And that's because, again, we see these patterns over and over and over. And generally, if you establish a pattern over a 1 year period of time, then it kind of continues on to be pretty reliable. Not always, but it can be most of the time. And so the one thing that I didn't like about this indicator is there was a moment right here where we hit this kind of ranging market. And it was just slightly out of sync with the market. It was calling bottoms or shorts right at the bottom of moves, calling longs right at the top of the move, right as price was just kind of bouncing right within this channel of price. And so that did knock down quite a few of the trades there for losers, but all in all, a solid indicator. Not too much to complain about there, if you want to call it that. Just kind of examining it. So this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.